Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We buy, sell, and trade new and used machinery. Our certified pre-owned machinery is located in-house, and we do not broker tools to guarantee quality. For an up-to-date list of machinery for sale, visit us on the web at 360degreemachinery.com. Remember to check back often as our inventory changes daily, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And additionally, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or by dialing 630-229-6705. Also check out our website for hundreds of new machines and request a highly competitive quote. We are going to do a walkthrough of a Doucet 16-section clamp carrier. This is a clean Doucet clamp carrier. Each section has 6 40-inch capacity clamps for a total of 96 clamps. All are in good condition. The width capacity is 102 inches, although you could push 114 inches if you had to. The overhead board flattener has been rebuilt and has new seals. Rotation and the board tightener is handled via a 5 horsepower hydraulic pump. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.